Hey, first grade friends. We have been talking a lot this week about the parts of an equation. We've talked about the parts and the whole, and we've practiced writing equations to help us understand word problems. For example, we've been talking about how numbers like 3 and 4 can add together, those are the parts, to make a whole. Okay, today on Friday for your math activity, I want you to use objects around your home to help you come up with a story and an equation to tell the story to someone at home. For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 toys on my kitchen table. That's part of the story. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toys on my living room floor. If I want to know how many toys I have scattered all over my house all together, or in all, I can use my equal sign, and I'm going to count on to make the number 9. That's my whole. One part, another part, put together to make a whole. Use objects around your house to come up with stories and equations to match. Have fun telling these stories to somebody at home.